right everyone, so we've got a new vlog. Okay, so we've got a new EDC gears and gadgets again. So right over here is I got some new items. Okay, so this one is from Orzer Trail Orienteering Pass, which I bought it on Walmart. And also this tool right over here, in which also I bought this on, I forget, and Menards. Okay, so I found this on Menards. So before that, this one's gonna be the first one. So okay, let's go, gonna have to check it out. Okay, let's go, gonna have to check this as orienteering compass, right? So what's with this one, right? So okay, there's a lanyard on it. So I think this is gonna be a necklace, right? So this is gonna be a necklace, which you can put it in your necklace. Oh, all right. Okay. That is why. So this because there is also a roller on it. Oh, nice. Perfect. I love this one. Okay. So and also they get a quick start guide on how to use this one, right? So yeah, so since I am new to this kind of orienteering compass, so let's go gonna have to check it out, right? So let's go gonna have to check it out on how to use this one, right? So there's a map calibration. Okay, and also azimuth bearing. Oh, they got an azimuth bearing. We got some 163360 scale, and also they got some magnifying glass. Okay, magnetic needles, compass. Okay, yeah, so assistance and missing or replacement parts we can help. Oh, okay, all right, so there it goes. I'm gonna have to keep this one. So that is very important, right? So this one over here gonna be put this one. Okay, let's go, gonna have to check it out. Okay, so this one right here is a magnifying glass. So let's go, gonna have to check that out, right? Okay, uh, all right, so yeah, there you go. Yeah, you just have to zoom in. Okay, so we got some this one right over here, right? I think you can see it, right? So yeah, so ideal for outdoor adventures. And then yeah, so got some smaller, right? So they got right over here. Yeah. Ooh, nice. Okay. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah. Nice. Okay, there you go. What over here? So I didn't see it. I didn't see this one. It's because when I saw this on Walmart, I just like that one in the ADC gears and in the ADC gears and gadgets section, right? So that is why gonna have to All right. So this one right over here. This is a nice. Okay, this is a nice. So if I don't want to use this one, I can take it off, right? So yeah, and then nice. Okay, so right over here is I think I am in the north, right? So and I'm gonna have to put it like that one, right? Yeah, nice. Okay, so next is we gonna get over to this pen flashlight over here. So I also have another pen flash. I also have another this one over here, but the cost is big, right? So let's go, gonna have to this is a bobcat, right? Bobcat. So and if we can put it also into your anything that is also that has a so and also a good light, which is also perfect for everyday use. Yeah, so you are missing something, you at night missing something and you cannot see it clearly, so this is a very good handy dandy, this is a very good handy dandy, right? So and the handy dandy pen flashlight right over here, so from Bobcat. So it's a battery operated, and it is a battery operated. So it has a 2 AAA. Oops, okay, it has a 2 AAA right over here, so gonna have to just select that one. And then okay, so where's that? Okay, okay, so here we go. So oops, okay, okay, I am so careless. Okay, so we're gonna have to put like that one, and then you just have to put on like that. That's right. So perfect. Yeah, love this one also. Very good. EDC pen flashlight. So right over here is another pen, but this is a pen screwdriver, right? So look at that one. We've got some we got some flat screwdriver, right? So we got yeah, that is one. We got some flat screwdriver, and then also it as also as a um Phillips screwdriver, right? So uh, side by side, okay. So it's still the same like this one right over here. Yeah, still the same just like this one right over here. So you just have to side by side it, right? Look at that. So yeah. So if you are not using, using that one, because it is gonna be post using that one right over here, and then just gonna have to turn it. You just have to turn it like that one, right? This is a good, right? This is a good handy dandy also. This is a good handy dandy. What is for that? Pen screwdriver, right? So not a multi screwdriver because this is only two, right? So the flat screwdriver and the Phillips screwdriver. So this is the I mean, so you can see it clearly, right? So that is the PHO, yeah, 18 ph 1532, right? So that is the you know this good perfect a good perfect screwdriver, right? So and then also yeah, the good one also perfect. So additional to my EDC gears and gadgets, right? So run over here is the Ozark Trail orienteering compass, which is ideal for outdoor adventures. Multiple scale ruler, lightweight and reliable, okay, and also mini magnifying glass, right? So and we've got right over here is also the pen flashlight, which is a good, right? Perfect for me to bring this one, okay. So yeah, at night. So and also we've got the orienteering compass right over here, as you can see that it has a ruler, right? So it has a ruler yeah, it has a ruler on it. Yeah, you can use the ruler. Yeah, so if you want some, like that one, okay. uh I don't have a pen, okay, but this is a great one, right? So this is a great one right over here. All right, so okay. All right, so yeah. So I think that's it for this video, right? And also I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify of the upcoming future videos. Okay, quick recap. We've got the orienteering compass. We've got the two-in-one pen screwdriver, the flat in the Philip, and we've got also the pen flashlight from Bobcat also. Yeah. Nice. So this is just only a couple of bucks, right? So yeah, and a good one. So I bought this on Menards, and also this one is from Walmart, which is they are I think they are partnership with Ozark Trail, right? So since I have seen so many Ozark Trail brands from Walmart, right? So all right, so okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you again on the next one.